I've got a few announcements for you. I'm so happy to share these things that are coming up. My prayer power class starts Monday, April 28th. It's a 4-part class teaching you how to prayer in the effective affirmative way that has been so life-changing for me. You can always get this class on an instant download if you miss the launch of it. You can always get it. And I'd also like to let you know about the Power of Love in-person retreat that we're doing Memorial Day weekend in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Beautiful retreat center. I've been there many times. It is stunning. It is gorgeous. I can't wait to go back there. We are going to have a refreshing, renewing, seriously beautiful, fun, lighthearted time. And we're going to do some deep healing work. It's going to be the best of everything. And the best of everything is when we get to be together. So I hope you'll come and join me. Then I'd like to let you know another free forgiveness workshop, May 3rd, having one pretty much every month. Come and join me. These are deeply healing and they're free. So bring a friend. Also, if you missed the beginning of Change Your Mind About Yourself, you can jump in, get the instant download of the first session, and join us for the rest. We've got 9 teachers over the course of this year, 1 class per month, pretty much. And we've got Alan Cohen, Gary Renard, Sean Mundy, Lisa Natoli, Reverend Myron Jones, James Twyman, Mark Anthony Lord, and Terry Wade, and myself. And we had an amazing kickoff, deeply healing. People were sharing about their healing. So this is $99 for 9 teachers over the course of 9 months. What's better than that? We're focusing on our awakening by changing our mind about ourselves. Come and join us. We're having a great time. And my deep dive workshop in May is Why Can't I Be Happy? So you get great discounts if you sign up for Change Your Mind About Yourself. This is the best deal ever. I'm not kidding you. All right. I love you. See you soon, I hope.